Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a look at the OHM Beads February release that launched today officially. So all these beads are now available to purchase, including Rita, a Charmed Dreamers bead, Celebrate Life, which is limited edition. So if you're ready to see a look at the new beads that just released, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea. I'm enjoying some Silk Dragon Jasmine Green Tea from David's Tea. This is one of my favorite teas from David's Tea. It is so good. It's really nice on that afternoon when you need a nice little little bit of caffeine pick me up, but you also just kind of want that calm, peaceful, relaxed vibe. So virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. The first bead I'm going to share is called Venus Vibes. It is a sterling silver dangle bead and it is beautiful. Now last month we had Mercury Muse and this matches and goes with the space theme so perfectly. Here is a look at it. Very similar to Mercury Muse, of course, but we have the Venus vibes to it and it is beautiful. I love the detail going in the center. The bail is so unique and cool too. And here you can see both Venus vibes paired with Mercury Muse. You can get a really cool sense of sizing. They really complement each other really well. And I wonder if this space theme is gonna continue, which makes me really excited. As you can see, they really complement each other so beautifully. And I'm really excited to kind of basically build a space theme bracelet with these. I have a couple other OHM Beads space beads that I've collected over the years, but I haven't ever really made a proper bracelet. So these are really inspiring me because they help kind of break up a design too. So I'm very intrigued and very excited to do some bead play and see what I can come up with these new designs. They're so cool. Moving along, we have another box to open. So here's the box, and inside there are 4 other beads I have to share with you. And also a huge shout out to OHM Beads for gifting me these beads to review and style with, as well as to you guys, as I would not have these opportunities without each and every one of you. The charm that you're seeing here on the screen is called V-Day, and I absolutely love it. It's a dangle as well, and as you can see, the bail is a heart shape, which I think is so adorable. And the charm itself is like your classic Valentine's Day, just cutesy fun. Like you got a rose, you have lips, like a little kissing expression to them. You have the box of chocolates done in that little heart box shape. It is such a fun, cute bead. Cheesy and lovely and just all the Valentine's Day vibes. And I just think it's so clever that OHM Beads created this. And it definitely has me excited to play around with an updated Valentine's Day themed bracelet. I didn't really get a chance to make a Valentine's Day bracelet last year. I'm trying to think. I don't think I did. Just maybe a mini design. But I really want to go ahead and really create a really fun Valentine's Day theme. So definitely check me out on @Fashion Storyteller on Instagram. I post a lot of my designs on there too, especially if I don't have the chance to film a video. Now here you're seeing the lips again, kind of in that kissing face, are all puckered up. And here's the rose. And oh my goodness, the rose has so much detail. It even has the tiny little thorns you probably could see on the stem, the leaves, and it's fully blooming and opening with each of the petals falling. So well done. And this is quite a small sized charm, but it's packed with so much detail. OHM did a wonderful job capturing the details on here. Moving along, we're going to be heading into the glass beads. And I can't even pick a favorite with the glass beads because they're just beautiful. They're my favorite kind of colors. We have the purples and neutrally pinks and beiges and a little bit of white. This first one is called Heather Zinnia. It is so cool. We've seen a similar version the past couple years, and this one is done in that gorgeous purple. We also have More Than Love. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is just so girly and perfect for Valentine's, and it's my 2 favorite colors. My top 2 favorite colors is an ivory and a pink, which is also why I love Hot Zone so much too, because you can see they have kind of this beigey cream ivory pink to it. Absolutely love it, and I think these 3 complement each other so beautifully. And they will look so beautiful with Rita's bead, Celebrate Life. I'd also love to pair these with the retired unicorny glass beads that OHM Beads did. Again, the colors will complement each other so well. So stay tuned for some upcoming designs. I'm really excited to play around with these and see what I can create with them. Here's a quick look at the glass beads in motion. And now you might be starting to think, More Than Love looks quite similar, looks familiar. And that's because it is quite similar to Blue Valentine that released last year. And I love Blue Valentine. I've played around with different designs, but now that I also have More Than Love, oh my gosh, I'm having all these ideas like to design with these, and I'm very excited. And that is it for today's overview of the February release from OHM Beads for 2023. I would love to know what you guys think. Please let me know down below. Also, if you would like a full review and unboxing first impressions of Rita, a Charmed Dreamer's bead, Celebrate Life, I have a separate video for that. I'll leave a link up above the screen right now. For information about the beads as well as their names, I'll also have that down below in the description bar, as well as where to find them. Some of those links down there may be affiliate links, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge thank you in advance if you do use those links. It really does help me out a lot. Anyway, you guys, wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.